How Mutuum protects lenders through efficient liquidations? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Mutuum. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Mutuum is redefining decentralized lending through that secure, smart contract-powered platform that actually prioritizes collateral-backed borrowing and that transparent financial health. So at its core, guys, Mutuum requires all borrowers to maintain sufficient collateral, which creates that safety net that preserves the integrity of the lending pool. Now, here's the thing, guys. Should a borrower's collateral fall below that protocol's threshold, liquidators are empowered to intervene, which triggers a fair automatic liquidation process. Now, these liquidations are essential, which is acting as a built-in risk management tool that protects pool liquidity, and it also ensures that lenders' assets are never left vulnerable. So the system incentivizes liquidators, which offers rewards for those who help maintain the stability of the platform, making it not just a safeguard, but that opportunity for engaging their users as well. So what makes Mutuum stand out is its commitment to transparency as well as decentralization. So all liquidation mechanisms are governed by their clear rules and are also enforced via the automated smart contracts, the eliminating bias, manual control, or the unexpected changes. Now, the process is fully visible on-chain, which gives the users confidence in the protocol's fairness. So there's no bias basically with Mutuum because it's all there. Okay, you can go ahead and check out their website for more information. That will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them more and see their power as well as the benefits and the values that they are proposing when you become one of their users. Now, community participation is also encouraged, which is allowing the users to take an active role in the protocol's upkeep, whether it is lending, whether it is borrowing, or acting as liquidators. So guys, this decentralized, incentive-driven system minimizes potential losses for the lenders, and it also promotes long-term sustainability. So Mutuum combines that secure lending with that smart, self-correcting mechanism to ensure reliability even in the most volatile market conditions. Now, you could go ahead and check them out, guys. Of course, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out their website. That way you could also get to know them better on the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. And of course, guys, make sure to follow all our social media platforms. That way when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. It is at the bottom of their page. You have their X, their Instagram, their YouTube, their TikTok, their Telegram, and their Discord. You can just go ahead and click on it. It will open up a new tab or a new window. Go ahead and follow and subscribe to all those social media platforms. That way you will not miss out on any update. And if you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.